Later that night, a poisonous chemical was in a... it is panic. Mara, alis! dapat naka-front yun eh. Hindi ko na bakit nagbilang sa side. The virus began and started attacking many people. Then the war began. Sabi ni Richard yun eh, yun pa namin stock man. Panic nga na sounded like... But one survivor has fight for himself. Right. Yung trauma namin. Hindi ko kami na-fast forward eh. Hindi, ano yan? Zombie yan. Oo. Ang galing nga, hindi wala kaming ano. Wala kasi kaming ano, yung effect para sa dugo. Ayun na, nakasurvive siya dyan. Nakasurvive. Nigel killed all the zombies. Nigel survived. War is over. But wait, there's still one zombie left.
Ang ganito, laging basagan ng bungo 1550 Mandaluyong, puro crazy motherfucker. Buhay ko sinasagad hanggang sa kapoy mo wala na. Binuksan ang isip ang ideya, pinagkakasama sa pihit, marijuana, bitch. Mapulit, matikit sa snake.
The zombie managed to kill
Oo, pre, kasi nakalimutan namin yung ano, perspective na yun.
The zombie apology.
Ikaw, biglang huminto.
No one survived. But we will be back. Ngayon, dun sa part 2 na yun, kasama ka na.